If you don't want to see me succeed or be on my side or see me eating life, I don't want you around. I just feel like be the best you can be. Set your energy and choose happiness over anything.
Hey babe, it's your girl Slim back with another video, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you guys how I save so much money every month doing my own lashes at the comfort of my home using lash clusters from Amazon. Now the first step is to make sure that your lashes are clean. What you can use is either a mascara remover or either makeup remover, just to make sure that you have no makeup, no oil, no dirt on your eyelids. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab a spoolie just so I can brush my lashes. Then I'm going to go ahead and grab my lash glue, and I'm not applying the lash glue like mascara. As you can see, I'm tapping the lash glue onto my lashes. Then I'm going to go ahead and grab my lash clusters and apply the lashes underneath my lashes. If you would like to purchase these lash clusters, I will be sure to attach the link below in the description box, and I also will be sure to also list down the lash map that I used today to achieve this style. As you can see in this tutorial, I kind of mastered doing my own lashes, but starting off I would recommend that you hold your eyelid up just so you see where you're placing your lashes. And another thing is, I don't recommend placing the lashes right on your waterline. For some people that can be super uncomfortable, but like I mentioned, all you need to do is place the lashes right under your natural lashes, because if you place it right on your waterline, your eye may get watery and it can get super uncomfortable. So if you pay close attention to where I'm placing my lashes, then or once you start practicing on your own eye, you will know what works and what not works for you. But when I tell you I save so much money every month doing my own lashes, even on refills, I used to pay $75 to $85 every month on refills. And what I really like about lash clusters is that they're reusable. So once you take them off, you can just clean them and reuse them. After I'm done applying the lashes, I'm going to go ahead and basically press them down just to make sure that they stay in place. As you can see, this is super easy, and most times when you order lash clusters, they come in a kit, so it comes with all the tools you need to achieve the look. Now the last step is to use the seal. Now it is very important that you do this step, because when you use a seal, it kind of make your lashes last a little bit longer. The longest my lash set lasted was about a week, and then after that they just started falling off on their own, or I just take it off and do my own refill at home. And then voila, there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you have any questions, please feel free to comment them down below, and see you guys next time.